Dear students, today I will discuss about the theory part of exercise 7.2 of class 9th mathematics CBSE board. Okay, so let us discuss first of all the properties of a triangle. Property number 1 is angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, and property number 2 is the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. That means property 1 says, look at these pictures. Property 1 says if these two sides are equal, then the corresponding angles like this will be equal. That means this leads to this. Similarly, property 2 says that if these two angles are equal, it leads to these two sides are also equals. That converse of each other. Fine. So, basing on these two properties and the congruence properties that we discussed for exercise 7.1, we will try to solve the examples given that are 4, 5 and 6 in a very simpler way. That means I will give you only tips to solve the examples, and the detailed part you can see in your book. So example 4, see, the figure is given like this. The triangle is ABC. What is given? Given is AD is a bisector of angle A and AD is perpendicular to BC. Fine. Given is this much. Then to prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove that AB equal to AC and triangle ABC is isosceles. Okay. So the simple way to solve this is just take two triangles ABD and ACD. Try to establish the congruence rule. For example, we can see here, this is the bisector. Fine. So the angle is, these two angle will be same. That means angle A will be same for both. Fine. Similarly, next one is, so angle, next one is side. Side is AD and this side is common for both the triangles. That means AS, that means angle and side. Next one is as this is perpendicular to AD is perpendicular to BC. This angle, that means ADB equal to ADC equal to 90 degree. That means in this way congruence rule ASA is established, and as now we can tell that triangle ABD and triangle ACD are both congruent. Then we can also establish as per CPCT rule that AB is equal to AC, and as AB is equal to AC, we can establish that this triangle is isosceles. Okay, so simple. Next we will proceed to example 5. Now see, the triangle is given here. So what is given, we will first see. Given is AE equal to EB, AE equal to EB. That means this is the midpoint that we will discuss further. Given is AE equal to EB and AF equal to FC. Also AB equal to AC. What we have to prove? We have to prove BF equal to CE. So the simple solution is you take these two triangles, that is ABF and ACE, and try to establish the congruence rule, and you will find out that by establishing SAS congruence rule, these two triangles will be congruent to each other. Then we can prove very easily we can prove then that BF equal to C. So simple, na? Next we will go to example 6. Example 6 is, similarly a triangle is given ABC, and what is given? AB equal to AC, BE equal to CD, BE equal to CD, and yeah, this much is given. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AD equal to AE. Okay. Similarly, you just take here triangle ABD and triangle ACE and try to establish the congruence rule. You will definitely find out that by establishing the SAS congruence rule, we can find out that we can prove that ABD triangle is congruent to ACE triangle. And in this way you can also prove that AD equal to AE. Fine. So this way all the examples are solved in a very quicker manner. So please go through my video, please share the video among your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, and thank you so much. All the best. God bless you.